Assalamu alaikum my dear children. I'm here with the new lesson, that is Save the Planet. In this lesson we are going to learn the steps we need to follow to save the planet. Our planet is in danger by the bad activities of human beings only. So we are the human beings who are responsible for making the planet dirty. So what are the steps we need to follow to save the planet? In this lesson we are going to learn about that. So let's get started. Grandmother was telling Millie and Joy the story of Bhasmasur, an evil demon. He could turn people to ashes just by touching them on the head. So grandmother was telling Millie and Joy a story of a bad person. His name was Bhasmasur. Okay, he was very bad. Evil means very bad. Demon means bad person. So he was very bad person, and his power was that to whomever he touches on his head, that person would turn into ashes by burning. So by listening to this, Millie said, "What a scary fellow." She said, "Oh my God, he is so scary. Scary means very fearful." Then grandmother told, "It's bedtime now. We will hear the rest of the story tomorrow." After that, grandma told that now it's bedtime. It's too late. Both of you go and sleep. It's a rest time, and we will listen the remaining story tomorrow. She said. Then Bhasmasur, the demon was always up to something bad. Do you know who is like him today? Millie after going to bed, she was talking with brother Joy. She told to Joy that Bhasmasur was really bad person. He was always something up. He was always up to something bad. She said. Then she asked a question to Joy that, "Do you know who is like him today? Nowadays, who is like Bhasmasur today?" She asked to Joy. So Joy answered that, "Yes, the big bad pollution demon, cutting trees, making the air dirty. The list is long." So he said that yes, one demon is still alive today. His name is bad pollution demon, and he is cutting the trees and making the air dirty. And the list is very long. He said. Joy said. That night, Millie dreamt that the pollution demon had come to life. He was indeed evil looking. That night, after talking with the Joy, she went to sleep. In her dream, she dreamt that pollution demon came into life. Came into life means he really existed. He really came into life, and he was very indeed evil looking. Evil looking means he was very scary. Then with every breath, the demon turned the air grey and filthy. And with his every single breath, he would turn the air into a grey color and also filthy. Filthy means very dirty. Ha ha ha, he is doing like this. He was laughing like this. When we make air, water or soil dirty, it is called pollution. What is pollution, children? Pollution means whenever we make the air, water or soil dirty by the bad activities, it is called as the pollution. Throwing garbage on the land makes it dirty. This is called as the land pollution. So whatever the waste, what is garbage meaning? Garbage means things that we do not want or need anymore. What we'll do, we'll throw that. That is called as a garbage. So throwing waste materials, garbage on the land makes the land dirty. This is called as the land pollution. Okay. Throwing garbage in water bodies such as rivers and ponds makes them dirty. This is called as the water pollution. So what is water pollution? Whatever the garbage or waste material you throw in the water bodies like river, ponds, lake, it will destroy the water. It will make the water bad. You can't drink that. You can't use that. So this is called as the water pollution. With every step, he filled the ground with garbage and made the water dirty. So with his every single step, he used to make the water dirty by and with every single step he used to fill the ground with the garbage only, and he was making the land and water everything dirty. He was polluting everything. Smoke from cars and buses makes the air dirty. This is called as the air pollution. Horns of vehicles and other loud noises cause noise pollution. So what is air pollution? The smoke, whatever the smoke comes out from the car, like this. Look at the picture here. The smoke is coming out, this ash color. This is the smoke. It is coming out from the car. So whatever the smoke from the cars or any vehicle and like buses, it will create the bad atmosphere. I mean, it will make the air dirty by that. So this is called as the air pollution. Horns of vehicles and other loud noises cause noise pollution. So horns of the vehicles, if you beep loudly and beep loudly, and if you play the loud music, it will create the noise pollution. So here we have learned about the land pollution, water pollution, air pollution and noise pollution. Okay, now let's jump into the next page. and with his axe-like hands he cut down forests left, right, and center. And his hands was the pollution demon's hand was like an axe. Look at the picture here. This is called as the axe. So with his axe-like hands, he was cutting down the trees everywhere. Wherever he was going, he used to cut the trees with its axe. The next morning, the pollution demon is wicked and scary. Save the earth. Now, the next morning, after getting up from her sleep, Millie told to Joy that the pollution demon was very scary, and he is very wicked and scary means very bad. And let's save the earth. She said to Joy. Remember, the only way to stop Bhasmasur in Granny's story was to make him touch his own head so that he would turn to ashes. Maybe we can do something like that. So now Joy said that. Joy said that the only way to stop Bhasmasur in Granny's story was that if he touches his own head, then he would turn into ashes. He said that. Then he also said that maybe we can do like that to save our planet. While Millie tried to sleep, she thought to herself, what if we knit a tight chimney cap for the demon? That would surely stop him from making the air dirty. Now again Millie tried to sleep, and she thought to herself that what if we knit the tight chimney. This is a chimney cap. If we put the chimney cap on his head, then whatever the filthy air is coming out, that will stop. She thought of that, and that will surely stop him from making the air dirty, and by that the air would not become dirty. She thought that. Then the next night, Millie had this interesting dream. You are so tall, it must be so cold up there. Please, sir, will you wear this chimney hat for me? That's so kind of you. Then the next night again, Millie went to sleep, and she dreamt of this pollution demon again. And it was interesting dream on that night. In that night, what she dreamt was. She was talking to that pollution demon, and she was telling to that pollution demon in her dream that you are so tall and you are very big, and she told that, and she said that it must be cold now outside, so please sir, wear this chimney cap, she said to that pollution demon. So pollution demon felt very happy. He said that, oh, that is it for me. She said he was very happy by listening that. That's so kind of you. That pollution demon said to Millie. Excuse me, these are just to keep your feet clean. Then slowly this Joy also, what he did in Millie's dream means, he said to pollution demon, excuse me, these are just to keep your feet clean, and he slowly made that pollution demon to wear that dustbin shoes. How do you think fixing dustbin shoes for the pollution demon helped? Now children, it means that whatever the garbage was coming out of his feet, if he wear this dustbin shoes in his leg, then he would surely stop that garbage, isn't it? So Joy slowly made that pollution demon to wear this dustbin shoes, and he said, okay, thank you. He was very happy, pollution demon. So I would like to end up my discussion here, and will continue this story in the next video. Till then, take care, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.